There's some more playing on Easter. 2011.
Thank you.
Oh.
Do you want to sit here, Lila? See, I'm playing.
Oh, a nice plate. Are you going to give me or Aunt Ricky the plate? Let's throw it. Here you go.
Hi.
Hi. Ah, now that's exciting. So many exciting things here in this fabulous playroom. Uh-huh.
I'm sure when they have new toys, too, it's like...
Oh, yeah. Very exciting.
What's that?
Yeah.
This is always Paris' sprinkles that she cooks with.
Oh.
I'm drinking Pepsi.
You're drinking Pepsi.
Lila has a little kitchen, a little tiny kitchen that Sharon got her, and she plays with it every day.
Yeah.
I don't think she gets that it's a kitchen yet, but you know, it makes cool sounds when you open and close different things.
Yep.
And she plays with it every single day.
Yeah, because we tried, we were going to give you guys her other kitchen.
Uh-huh. The smaller one?
Yeah, the smaller, the little Tikes one.
Uh-huh.
And the dogs, when we got them, ate the sink out of it.
Oh.
So it didn't go well. What do you have?
Oh, you ought to be careful. She might rip it up.
Oh, that's okay.
That wouldn't be okay, but you'll monitor it.
Is this a hat, Lila? Lila, is this my hat?
Look, it's on Ricky's
That's my
hat.
hat. No, I know you want it, okay. Do you want it on your head?
She's just started to get the whole idea of, like, I put it on my head, it falls off, and it's really funny.
Yeah.
And then I put it on her head, and it falls off, and it's funny. Before that, I don't think she... Well, yes, I'd like to rip this up, please.
That's Paris' birthday hat.
Oh, let's see. Paris is cooking something, I think.
I dropped into my fridge.
You dropped into your fridge a little bit. I saw it. That was funny.
What are you making?
Making soup.
Soup, yeah.
Soup.
That's a specialty.
And cake?
Soup and cake? Or
You know
soup
what?
and cake?
Two of my favorite things, soup and cake. I love soup and cake.
Soup.
Oh, here's my bunny.
Mama.
Yeah. What kind of soup?
She's tired.
What'd you say, Paris? What kind of soup?
Soup yogurt.
Soup yogurt. Yum.
You make a
Yum.
pretty good soup yogurt.
What kind of cake do you make?
Special cake.
Special cake. I love it. I love it.
What do you think, Lila? Huh?
You like it?
Yes. I can't wait to eat it.
Paris had that too.
I'm gonna eat it.
She had a little, what do they call them? Stork bites. And they went away? I think you told me that. Because I wasn't sure whether they would go away.
Well, you know what's weird is still to this day, just sometimes she just gets a red like that. It like comes back.
At the same spot.
Yeah.
You know what? They told me that it was, like hypervascularization, like extra vessels, blood vessels in that area. And that when she was, you know, like upset or hot or, you know, different things like that, that they would be more visible.
Huh.
So I
So
didn't
will
know
it
that that would be
always
true, like after. That's not chocolate, is it?
No.
That's toy. Okay.
It's a toy.
Yeah, I didn't know that would. But one, I didn't know it was going to go away, and that's interesting to know that like it goes away, you can't see it at all, and then it sort of then you can see
it
it.
just kind of shows up.
That's interesting.
And then like the next morning it's gone.
Huh. And you said it's when she's upset,
I don't
or
really notice a pattern with it. I just noticed when I notice it the most is if I go to put her hair up in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not.
Paris Joy has very cute pigtails.
What do you have? You have this.
I'm gonna move this so we can see you better at the kitchen.
Does she have a stroller like that?
She has a little push cart that Mother and Daddy, I picked it out, that Mother and Daddy got her for Christmas, and she loves to drive it. Oh, you're playing.
I mean,
Oh,
my breakfast.